This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and cabling. That's the fastest fix. Plug the Converge unit into a known good outlet using the original adapter and make sure the power light is solid. Once done, trace the incoming fiber or coax and Ethernet to the device. You're looking for kinks, crushed sections, or loose connectors because physical fault often causes lost red. Make note of exactly when the red light appeared. Technicians need that history, and you'll avoid unnecessary resets. Next, restart and inspect the network step by step. You power the Converge modem off for 30 seconds, then back on. Watch the LED sequence. Loss should clear during resync. If it doesn't, don't factory reset right away. That erases custom settings. Instead, inspect the network interface device or NID box outside and any cable splitters or connectors between the street and your unit because signal interruptions there cause loss. Also check ISP outage notices. Sometimes the issue is upstream. Finally, if the lost red light persists, you escalate to your ISP. You call Converge support, give them exact timestamps, describe the LED behavior, and list steps you already took. That speeds diagnosis. Ask them to run a remote line test and to check provisioning. Request a technician dispatch if the line is down. Make sure to document every action. Take photos of damaged cables and device labels. That evidence ensures faster resolution and avoids repeated visits. One tip: if intermittent, log times to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.